Let's go. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. We'll make sure we live everywhere. All right, we live on IG. Yes, sir. All right, we live on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook up here. We're live on TikTok down here. Okay. The mic's not hooked up to TikTok for some reason, so it's all good though. Y'all should still be able to hear me. Yes, sir. All right, let's get into it. I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit management company in San Diego. I go live twice a day, just like this, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. I literally come on here just to answer people's credit questions. Personal credit, business credit, it's all good. This background stuff here on TikTok, the other places can't see it, but here on TikTok, I got the green screen in the back. These are just client results. Sometimes clients screenshot stuff, they send it in. This client behind me started in the 500s. So let's get into it. You can ask any credit question you have, you guys. Just don't spam the chat. All right. And I'll get to your question. But let's get into it. How do you sign up? Shoot me a DM. Okay. On TikTok, shoot me a DM. Everywhere else, you should see the little ticker, right? It should say text TikTok to this number. You should see the little ticker. All right, let's go. All right, let me scroll up. Ishmael, how can I increase my 640 credit score? 2 credit cards, 6%, 1 positive car loan, 1 paid repo. You got to dispute that repo, bro. That repo got to go. That's what's dragging your score down. Because 2 credit cards and a car loan, you got your installment loan. So you might need some age too. So you can go grab that Rent Reporters. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. I got Rent Reporters on there. You can grab that. That's going to help with your age. That's going to help your score go up a little bit. And then the repo. Got to dispute that repo, bro. So if you want to dispute it on your own, hit the link in my bio, get that King Credit Bundle, and get to work. It's super cheap, right? All the letters, all the step-by-step guides, literally hold your hand through the process. You go get to work. All right, so that's what you need to do. I'm 590. I need help fast. Free R. Kelly. Hit the link in my bio, schedule a call, or shoot me a DM. Okay, you can DM me the word King for a free consultation. Let's work. My score is 420. Hey, mine when I first got started in 2018, mine was a 483, 482, somewhere around. I'm gonna just say 480 something. All right, let's go. Encourage more viewers to share the live. Tweety, thanks for sharing the live. I appreciate it. Hello, can you send me DIY credit repair? Yeah, Lena, hit the link in my bio. It says King Credit Bundle. Grab that bundle and get to work. That's all you need. Credit scores are for the poor. Rich people pay cash. Ahmad Gaber, if you were rich, you would know that's the dumbest thing you ever said in your life. All right, that's not smart. Okay, you look kind of young, so let me click your page. Ahmad, actually, you don't look that young, actually. You look old enough to not be making statements like that, right? We live in a credit society, okay? You think Trump bought those buildings with cash? No, that's not how the world works, bro. But keep thinking that. Go ahead, do your thing. That's all good. All right, y'all, let's go. Keep them questions coming. And I stand by it. Nice. Go ahead. That's on you. Okay, that's on you. Let's go. Let me check Instagram. Let me check. What is your thoughts on debt settlement? So, like debt settlement, if like the debt relief programs, those are trash. Don't do that. You can settle on your own. Okay, so you can literally, if you're behind on your payments, call Capital One and tell them, hey, I can't make these payments anymore. They'll close the accounts. You make payments to them to that account is paid off, and then you're good to go. That's a lot better than the debt settlement companies. All right, that's a good question though. All right, let's go. All right. Where we at? Is credit usage for each individual card or is it total for the cards? Do individual because if you got 1% on 5 cards and then 100% on one, that don't look right. You know what I'm saying? So just have the utilization on each. I used to do the total, but it's better each card. It's better each card. Because you want to know what's going on in each card anyways. All right, so yeah, that's a great question. I need a credit consultation. Deshao, let's go. Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. DM me the word king. Let's go. Hey, my YouTube homie, I see you. My YouTube homie. Bro, you still ain't sent me your I told you to send me your shirt size and your address, bro, so I can send you a King Credit, some King Credit gear. Let's go. Hell yeah. All right, man, let's go. Keep it coming, y'all. Keep it coming. Hunted, I got a 640 score. Already answered this, bro. Hunted, I already answered that for you. 640 score, 2 credit cards. Oh, never mind. That was somebody else. 642 credit cards, 19. How can I push up this 700? So you need that rent reporters to help with some age, and then you need like a installment type loan account. So Hunted, hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. Go grab that rent reporters and grab that Kovo. Okay, Kovo rent reporters. Go rent it up. King, you never gave me a shirt. Benji, I sent you a message like a couple days ago, but it said I couldn't send you a message. I need your address and your shirt size, bro. So send that info to me, Benji. Let's go. How to remove collections from a credit report, sir. Let's get it. Ski Yee. Username Ski Yee. Let's go. So for collections, okay, you're going to have to get your credit report. You're going to have to find inaccuracies. We're updating personal info, disputing inquiries not attached to open accounts. Then we're opting out of secondary bureaus. So those first 5 steps are kind of what we do for everybody. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says how-to guides. They're free. All right, how-to guides. It has all this stuff I'm about to tell you. It's all in there. After you do those 5 steps, now we're ready to dispute. But the problem is people only dispute with the bureau, okay, when it comes to collections. That's wrong. You want to dispute with the bureau and you're disputing with the collection agency. They're 2 different types of letters. All right. With the bureaus, it's verification letter. With the collection agencies, it's validation. All right. So I got all that stuff in there for you for free. Go get them how-to guides and get to work. If you need the letters to go with it, grab that King Credit bundle. All right. King Credit bundle and get to work. Let's go. I'm in TikTok jail till the 12th. Can't message till the 12th. That's crazy. That's crazy. Hey, if you have our customer service number, the 844 number, reach out to Anna. Reach out to Anna and she'll get your information and send you the shirt. All right. Ishmael, can I make a consultation and talk about which letter is the best to send from your letters? There's no point, Ishmael. The guide breaks all that stuff down. That's why I made it that way. So you don't have to keep calling people and doing all that. All the tools, you have all the tools. All right. So hit the link in my bio, get that King Credit bundle. That's going to have all your step-by-steps. It literally says how to dispute a collection. And it says step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Right? It says validation number 1. Then you go to the letters, you look, it says validation number 1. Boom. That's the one you send. It's literally like that. That's how simple I made it. All right, let's go. Let's go. After a long period of time. Nikita, what you talking about? Jose, King in the house. You're the man. What's up? Jose, my guy. What's good? How do you sign up? Shoot me a DM, you guys. DM me the word King. Okay, DM me the word King. Stamps is 771 credit score with 7 credit cards good, including Amex and Navy Fed. Yeah, 771, bro. You're good. You can go get approved for pretty much anything you want. You're good to go, bro. Keep that up. Keep it up. Don't collections removed after 2 years? No. That's inquiries. Inquiries fall off after 2 years. E-Man, what's a good starting business credit card? I'm only 19, have a 700 score. E-Man, how many open accounts do you have? I want to get all the information. I don't want to set you up for failure. How many open accounts do you have? Is Credit Karma accurate? Credit Karma is accurate for a Vantage score. The only problem is lenders don't use Vantage score. So But did you know that Identity IQ, Smart Credit, CreditWise, Credit Sesame, they all use Vantage scores. All right, so that should tell you that the score don't really matter, right? It's about your credit profile. You get approved or denied depending on your profile. But if you're using Credit Karma, just know it says Vantage score right there. All right, 2024, we're gonna read more. All right, let's go. But yeah, so if you're using Credit Karma, that's cool. It's a free app. Do your thing. Just use it for the accounts and activity. If you try to compare the scores, okay, it's different for everybody. So some people, their FICO scores are higher than their Vantage. Some people, their Vantage are higher than their FICOs. For me, my Vantage and FICO are about 5 points apart. You know what I'm saying? So that's why everybody's a little different. Destiny on IG, she said, afternoon, what's up, what's up? Keep dropping them questions, y'all. We rapid fire. We're hitting rapid fire. Let's go. Sorry if you answered this. What do housing rental companies pull for reports? Is it FICO? Yeah, they'll pull like they'll probably pull your FICO. They'll probably use your FICO 8, but a lot of them do soft pulls too. So it just depends. But they also use Rent Grow and Rent Grow and Credco, right? Those are like kind of secondary bureaus they kind of use too. So you just want to make sure your credit profile is good, right? You don't have to have a crazy credit score to get approved for places, right? You just want to make sure you don't have hella inquiries and bankruptcies and hella evictions and bankruptcies on your stuff, all right? And for people that need a co-signer, that's crazy that you brought this up, Shelby. The people that can't get approved for a house or for a house for rent or mortgage, I'm partnering with the company. They're like first of their kind, okay? They act as your guarantor or your co-signer, okay? There's some steps and stuff that you got to do, but as long as you your credit, you got decent credit, you don't have a whole bunch of evictions. They even work with with felons and all kind of stuff. So I'm just waiting for the information for them to send me, but I'm gonna start promoting that too because a lot of people can't get approved for stuff right now. So they will act as a co-signer or the guarantor to help you get approved for that house to rent or your mortgage. So that's coming soon too, y'all. Let's go. I stay making moves. And Jill, I can't even say that. I can't even pronounce that. Anquilled. Is this your score? No, these are client results. Everything I show are receipts and client results. This person started in the 500s. All right, what about 787? That's good. That's good. Your score is more on Experian than it is on Credit Karma. I mean, yeah, that's true. But this is for a lot of people don't have the money to pay the $25 for Experian, right? So some people got the free app. That's cool. Okay, I'm just telling you, how to properly use the app. Okay, I don't need to be all in your situation. That's not my business, right? If you can't afford it, that's on you. But if you're using Credit Karma and you're using Experian, the free version, right? If Experian is going to be your FICO score, so that's cool. But Credit Karma, okay, these are Vantage scores. So don't go to the dealership pulling up your Credit Karma. That's not your score. All right. So just keep that in mind. I have 2 credit cards. Yeah, E-Man, you have a thin credit profile, bro. So you need some more accounts. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. Grab that Kovo and grab that Rent Reporters. Once those report, you'll be ready to go for that business credit and all that. Let's go. Let me see. Hold on. Miss Bossy B. I'm just coming into the chat. What if I have collection? I've tried to dispute it, but cannot be moved. Miss, I'm not sure how you're disputing, but you probably disputing online. That's not the way to go. All right, so hit the link in my bio. You can use that how-to guys. They're free. I got the step-by-step for collections because I can tell you how to do it, but you're going to forget in 10 minutes. So that's why I typed all that stuff up so people can just take it and go run with it, right? Why do I only have 1 score? Because you don't have enough accounts reporting. All right, so Tracy, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got some easy approvals on there. Stamps, what's a good credit union that's good for an auto loan? All credit unions are good for auto loans, bro. All right, all credit unions are good for auto loans. Let's go. How the F is credit score when home buying? Wait, how if is credit score when home buying? So when you're buying a home, they use like your FICO 2, 5. Some in California use FICO 8, but you have a mortgage FICO score, you got an auto FICO score, so it just depends on who they're pulling from. You have to ask them. Grand Deanna 787, that's good. My FICO is 15 points higher than my experience score. Well, your experience score is your FICO score, so I'm not sure what you're saying. Let's go. Let me see. Rent reporting through bill. Not sure what to put if I split payment with the spouse. Put the whole thing. Put the whole payment. Let's go. Or put your portion. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. Fam CERN, is that your credit score? No, these are client results. I used to stress about credit. Now I care less about owning a home and I'm stress free. Let's go. All the follows and stuff. Thank y'all for following. Let's go. Let's go. Keep the questions coming, y'all. Manny Fresco, we'll check the link. Sounds good. Are you familiar with Dignify? No. Never heard of that. Never heard of that. Never heard of that. Let's go. Where my Facebook folks at, man? Where my Facebook folks at? Let's go. Y'all slacking. I see y'all on IG. I see y'all. Keep the questions coming. Let's go. How does rent reporting work? Does landlord report it? No, you just need to, you literally show the company your proof of address, your lease agreement, and you're good to go. It's literally that simple. So you can hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. The first one, or first or second, it says rent reporters. Just click it, click the link, and it tells you everything that you need to do. My credit is down because I can't pay my credit card. That's what happens. Yeah, if your cards are maxed out, you're missing payments, your score's going to drop. Yeah, that's what happens. Jersey, how can I remove collections without paying them? Dispute them, right? If a collection's reporting on your credit report, they have to validate that debt. So you have to make them validate it, right? So hit the link in my bio. If you want to start disputing it yourself, hit the link in my bio, grab the King Credit Bundle. That is going to have all your guides, and that has all the letters and stuff in there too. Okay. What about the residency score? How can we check? What? Residency score, like your rent? Like for your rent? Consultation at 440. Let's go. Let's go. My TransUnion is 719, Equifax 749. Myself is reporting 679. Which one more accurate? If self is reporting your FICO score, then your FICO score is more accurate, right? You see, Credit Karma says Vantage score. It tells you that it's not a FICO score. It tells you right there. All right, so if self is reporting your FICO, that's going to be your accurate one. All right, let's go. What they talking about on Instagram? Let me see. How do you get a business loan with the 540 credit? You don't. You don't. That's not how that works. Credit, you got to get your personal credit up. Okay, got to get your personal credit up. Let's go. How accurate is Credit Karma though? You guys keep saying this Credit Karma stuff. You guys. See how it says Vantage score? Well, the accounts and activity, that's accurate, right, on Credit Karma. But the score is the Vantage score. It just means that it's calculated differently. That's it. All right, so it's not accurate or wrong or inaccurate or wrong or anything like that. It's a different scoring model, okay? Let's go. No, it's not even a different scoring model. It's a different credit score. It's a different credit score. Let's go. Marlene, what about credit control? Do you recommend it? What's credit control? Who was that? She said, oh, okay. Yeah. So look, this was going to happen, right? I've been through that before. And so what this going to happen, you're going to go in there, even if your business is making money, they're still going to say, okay, this is good, this is good, this is good. All right, we need to check your personal credit. Just to make sure, right? They want you to have at least a 680 because they're giving you cash money. If your credit score is in the 500s, they're not going to trust you with 150K cash, 200K cash, right? Because that shows that you can't even keep your personal credit. You can't even get your personal credit up. So it just looks bad, right? The optics look horrible. Okay, so got to get that personal credit score up. Yes, I just learned it's different than the FICO. Okay, thank you. My FICO was higher than my residency score, and I got denied until I got the residency score up. Nice, nice, nice. Um, Gilbert is it's 767. Good score. Yeah, that's a good score. But you guys, you don't get approved or denied because of your score. You get approved or denied due to your credit profile, right? So I've seen credit reports with one secured card with 10 authorized users, and their score is like 800. But they said, I can't get approved for anything. I can't get approved for anything. It's because lenders want to see that you have a couple of your own accounts, right? The primary accounts. The primary accounts are the ones that you apply for yourself. Okay. So they want to see you have at least 4 or 5 of those just to prove, and a good little credit mix. So that's a couple credit cards, right? A house, a car, a pledge loan, a personal loan, a self lender, Credit Strong, right? Or Kovo. So Kovo, Credit Strong, and self lender, those are installment loans, right? So if you can't get approved for a personal loan, car, house, you can use Kovo. Okay. All those accounts, though, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. All right, you can go run those up. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. So what scores do renters lean more towards? You have to ask them. Okay. You have to ask them. So like the places down here in San Diego, a lot of them, they do a soft pull, and then they go get your Credco report, right? Credco is like a secondary lender owned, like a secondary a secondary reporting agency owned by CoreLogic. So it just depends. You have to ask them, right? Some just pull your FICO 8, right? So you have to ask them. It's not a one thing. Every lender don't use one thing, okay? Or every property manager, landlord, they might use something different. So you have to ask them. Do you like it using the Experian app? Yeah, Experian is cool. Or can you pay by the due date? You can pay by the due date too, but your due date is just when your minimum payment is due. Your statement date or your closing date, that's when the balance gets reported to the credit bureau. So you can make 2 different payments if you want to. For me, I'll just change my payment date. I change that to 3 days before my statement date. And then I put it on auto pay for the last statement balance. And I haven't looked at my credit cards in a couple years, right? Not a couple, yeah, 2, yeah. I don't have to look at it no more. That's the point, okay? Strella, the bank I work for denies a lot of high utilization, even though they have 780 and high. Yep. Yeah. So if your utilization too high, that shows that, you in debt, right? That you can't pay your bit, that you're not paying your cards off. They don't like that either. You can get denied because you got too many inquiries in 1 month, right? Or a short amount of time. You can get denied because of that. You can get denied because your credit profile is too thin. That means you don't have enough open primary accounts. You can get denied because, of course, negative stuff, right? Charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, and all that good stuff. You can get denied if you're trying to get a mortgage or something and you just recently added a car. They don't like that either, right? So there's all kinds of stuff you can get denied for, right? So that's why it's important to build up that actual credit report, that credit profile. I was pre-approved. When I accepted offer, it said they will review it and let me know if I was eligible. Yeah. So even if you get pre-approved or pre-qualified, they still have to do there's still an underwriting process. That's for everything. What they look for, a car loan through your own bank, Navy Fed. Wait, what they look at for a car loan. So with Navy Fed or with credit unions, they're going to look at your direct deposit, right? They want to see that you have a direct deposit each month. So get your paychecks on direct deposit to your Navy Fed or PenFed or your San Diego Credit Union or your North Island Credit Union or your Andrews Credit Union or whatever credit union you're working with, all right? They want to see that direct deposit, okay? Next, They want to see how many open accounts you have with them. So if you got a checking, it's good. Saving is good. A pledge loan is good. A certificate of deposit is good. You know what I'm saying? They want to see, and they want to see some activity in your in your account. You know what I'm saying? But then then your credit score. So what I've seen though with credit unions when it comes to auto loans, I've seen people with in the 500s get approved, right? So they take into account a lot more than just your credit report or your credit profile or your credit score. Okay. Beginner Carlos, are these your scores? No, these are all client results. This person started in the 500s. Beginner credit cards for fresh grads with student debt. Tadeha, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. You wouldn't even get a credit card off the bat, okay? You wouldn't do that. I got a step-by-step process in there. It's all free. You want to grab that Kovo, okay? You want to grab that that extra card, right? Kovo and extra card. So extra card, that's going to report as a revolving line of credit. That's good. No hard pull. Kovo is going to report as an installment loan. No hard pull. Fast reporting. All right. And then once those report, I got some more steps in there for you. So that's for anybody. If you're brand new, you're starting. If you have a thin credit profile, if you're just starting with credit, hit the link in my bio. Scroll down and says starter accounts. Go run those up. Let's go. That's what they're for. That's what they're for. How do you sign up? Instagram. Just shoot me a DM. Okay, shoot me a DM. If you can't read the little ticker right there in the video, just shoot me a DM. All right, same thing for TikTok. DM me the word king. All right, DM me the word king if you're looking for a free consultation. Let's go, y'all. It's March Madness, man. It's March Madness. So our prices are already super affordable, but March Madness, that's when we run a little special all month. All right, so time is now, man. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, we live. What's up, Benji? Benji then went to Instagram. My brother. Let's go. What about 696 on TransUnion report? Yeah, that's cool. What if I'm an authorized user and the primary is late or usage is high? What should I do? Tell them to remove you from that account. If you're an authorized user on an account and they maxing out the card or if they're racking up late payments, tell them just to remove you, right? You'll be removed in 30, 60 days and then you'll be good to go. LLC credit cards. Brandon, what do you mean LLC credit cards? Talking about business credit cards? Yeah, you can get business credit cards. You can leverage your personal credit if your business is less than 2 years. Once it's over 2 years old, you shouldn't have to use your personal credit anymore for business credit cards. You know, so yeah. We live trying out new things. Let's go. Let's go. How do you sign up? You guys, shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. Okay, DM me the word king. Everyone does a consultation. So don't DM me talking about how much is it. I don't know because I got to see your credit. We got to see your credit report first. All right. What's the process? Everything is covered during the consultation. Everything. All right. Let's go. And if you're not willing to schedule a free consultation, I know you're not serious about fixing your credit. It's that simple. Right. I used to let people, answer questions here. No, everybody schedule a call. Because that's going to weed out the people anyway. Okay. That's going to weed out the people that's not serious anyway. Do you recommend closing out credit cards? Jesus, never. Never. I still got my old ass Milestone, First Access, Indigo. I still got all those cards, right? But they got 5-6 years of age on them though, right? So I can't close them now. Joyce, how long should a person wait after purchasing a home? How long should a person wait after purchasing a home to purchase a vehicle? Yeah, you do want to do the home first. Do the home first. I mean, if you need the car, right when you get approved, your score's going to drop a little bit because when that mortgage loan gets reported onto your credit, your average credit age drops a little bit. That's okay. But yeah, a couple months. You can wait 3 months and go ahead and get a car after that. How long do I need to wait between auto loan and house? So you just asked me that. I say I've seen people do it soon they get approved. I've seen people get a house a car that same month. But you can give it a couple months. Give it 3 months. That's cool. Do you help with consolidation for people with bad credit? What do you mean consolidation? Like a debt relief? No, we don't do debt relief, right? We don't do debt relief. We got approved because of our cash flow in and out the bank. We do have great credit card though. Let's go. Let's go. What if I'm already answered that? I want to clear my credit. Lost my job and been having mad late payments. I mean, yeah, we can dispute, but we don't do credit sweeps, y'all. Okay, credit sweeps are the legal way to fix credit. So if you see credit sweep, run the other way. It usually says credit sweep, 30-day removal, guaranteed. That's trash. All they're doing is file a police report for you, claiming identity theft. You don't want that in your life. Okay, you don't want that. And that's what they're not telling y'all. And a lot of them are doing it. They don't even know that it's illegal. Okay, because they just the blind leading the blind. All right, but if you sit back and think like, all right. So if I say this account isn't mine and file a police report saying it isn't mine when I know that it was mine, and I'm not, do I get in trouble for that? Yes, you can get in trouble for that. It's fraud. All right. CPNs, fraud. All right. So, don't get me started. Somebody hit my DM, tried to argue with me, talking about CPNs are legal. See, I said, no, they're not. I said, take your CPN and tell them, go to the bank and tell them you got a CPN. Go to Chase. See what happened to you. You ain't gonna make it to the front door. Do you work with clients in Georgia? Yeah, for Georgia, you got to be a nonprofit, a registered financial advisor, or a real estate agent or something like that. But we have a nonprofit that we work with. So yeah, we can help you out. Do you help with consolidation? I already answered that. So we're not a debt consolidation company, but yeah, I got some partners that actually I have some partners that do that does do bad credit loans, but I'm gonna just tell you the truth. They're not the best. They're not the best, and the interest rates are crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I don't even like telling people about that, right? I don't want you to get in a worse situation because you need with the people that are in credit card debt, they think that a loan's going to help them, right? When a lot of times I've seen this happen a time and time again, right? You got $10,000 in credit card debt. Let's say you get a $10,000 personal loan or bad credit loan or debt consolidation loan. You pay off those accounts, right? So now you got a monthly payment to pay that $10,000 off. What do you think is going to happen in 3 months when your car breaks down or somebody gets sick or you need to go on a trip? You're going to start racking up that credit cards again, right? Because you haven't fixed the habits that got you into that situation in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? I literally see it every single day. All right. So that's why I'm not for that option. John Doe just got 2 late payments due to a job loss. How do I dispute them? John Doe, hit the link in my bio, get the King Credit Bundle. They got the step-by-step for late payments with the letters and everything in there. Okay, what about collections? I have money to pay them, but I don't know if they will remove. Yeah, so if you want to pay them, you got to do what's called a pay for delete agreement. All right, a pay for delete agreement. I'm adding a new pay for delete agreement to the bundle, you guys, too. So that's one thing with my products, especially the bundle. If you buy the King Credit Bundle, you get the PDFs and all that, of course, but you also get the Google Doc link. The Google folder link, right? So that link, you can't edit anything in there, but when I edit something, you get the update, right? So when I add a letter to the bundle, you get it too. All right. So that's why I'm trying to encourage people to get that bundle, man. Let's go. I just got my first credit card. Hey, congrats. So yeah, use the card. So pretty much instead of using your debit card, use your credit card, right? Use your credit card. Don't spend more than what you have in your debit, than more than you have in your bank. That's not what we're doing. All right. So in the beginning, you need to build up some good habits. All right. So after you use that card, every Friday, pay that card off. Okay. For your first card. You want to get in the habit of paying that bad boy off. All right. And then after about 2-3 months of doing that, then you got some experience now. Then you can change your your payment date, like your due date. You can change that to 3 days before your statement date and then put it on auto pay for the last payment, for the last statement balance, right? I break all that stuff down too for you. If you hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I break all that down for you. It's just a Google Doc. People can go run up. Let's go. Yes, sir. How do you sign up? Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word king. Let's go. I want to call. I just told you where to go. Shoot me a DM. Kieran, hey, I maxed out my credit utilization this month. My credit dropped 53 points. Will that go away? Yeah, Kieran, you got to pay your cards back off. When you do that, your next update, you'll see an increase. The primary user helps my age of credit, even though they are late or maxed out. So it helps your age, but if they have a late payment and their utilization, that's doing more damage than helping. You know what I'm saying? It's doing more damage than good. Okay. I just got approved. Hey, Amex Gold at 19, waiting for the response on the platinum. Hey, let's go, Angel. I see you. My man. Hey, don't be going to the club. Angel, you say you're 19. Don't be going to the club with your Amex Platinum. Don't be trying to stun on them too hard. Okay? Because I know what I would have been doing at 19. With that Amex Platinum. Woo! What kind of call is it? It's a regular call. We used to do FaceTimes and all that and Zoom. We don't do that anymore. It's pointless. Yeah. So our consultations are so streamlined and user-friendly and easy going because when you schedule a consultation, you get the welcome text and then you get a text to get your credit report and send over the information. So by the time your consultation date and time, we already have your information. We've already taken our notes. We're ready to go. So we give you a call, break down your credit report, how we can help, answer all your questions. And then if you want to get started, we send the onboarding link. And if once you finish that, we get started that same day. Right? We've streamlined this process. We're not on the phone for no 2 hours talking about nonsense. All right. We here to get results. We here to get your credit right. Let's go. The primary. All right. Experian is always about 75 points lower than TransUnion and Equifax. That's for you. For me, my Experian is the highest. So that's why it's different for everybody. Dave Rochelle on TikTok. Hey, how can I improve my residence score? You guys. Okay, she was talking about your residence score. Don't target any scores. Okay, you want to fix your credit profile. All right, your actual credit profile. So that's how you fix all your scores. All right. So if you had a recent if you got an old eviction or something like that, you might have to pull your rent roll and your credit card reports to see what's on there. You might have to dispute that stuff off there. So it just depends. CPNs are legal in prison. I'm weak. Big Steve. I don't know if my comment you lagged. Jose. I didn't lag, bro. I'm reading everybody's question. Okay. Awesome. Sounds good. Going to try and sign up now. Let's go. Amex Platinum denied. Do you know how soon it is an additional authorized user credit impact? Okay, wait. Additional. Okay. McBride, I'm not sure you know what you're asking me. Well, what are you asking, bro? Because that was all that question was all messed up. All right, what exactly are you asking? Did you get added as an authorized user? Did you add someone to your account? Did you add someone to your account, or did you get added to someone else's account? All right, which one is it? Why are all these credit bureaus all different scores? That's a great question because it tell you. It says Vantage score right there, right? Your FICO scores are not Vantage scores. Okay, it tells you that. So depending on which credit monitoring software you're using, it'll tell you which score they're showing you. All right, but the whole point of all these credit monitoring softwares is to monitor your actual credit profile. All right, so you can monitor your activity, your accounts, your utilization, your payment history, your negatives, and all that stuff. You can monitor all that. Now, if it says Vantage score, the lenders don't pull your Vantage scores. That's all it is. All right, let's go. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. How do you sign up? Shoot me a DM. DM me the word king. How much is a consultation? Consultations are free. Consultations are free. Let's go. Tanyelle. 2025 bride. Let's go. Congratulations. Mine is running 690 on Credit Karma, but the mortgage team ran my credit and it's 100 points lower. Yeah, Tanyelle. because they ran those. I just explained that a couple times though. Credit Karma's a Vantage score. Your mortgage lenders, they're going to pull either your FICO 2, 5. They might even pull your 8. There's mortgage autos. I mean, yeah, there's mortgage FICO scores too. So it depends on what score they're pulling. All right, let's go. Let's go. I added someone to my account. Okay, so that's not going to affect you, right? So you added someone to your account. That's not going to affect you. Now, the person you added, they're going to get all the benefits of that. Okay. He said, "You're a great friend." That's facts. What's the most points you've ever seen a score go up in a month? All right. Well, that's a kind of a trick question because, so like, okay, I'll answer it, but so I could have gave you this answer right here. Wait, let me see. See, I could have gave you something like this, right? I'm sorry, Instagram and Facebook, y'all can't see the green screen on TikTok, but yeah, I'm showing them a score where, so this says plus 523, but that's kind of misleading because they weren't generating a score before. You know what I'm saying? So once the accounts got added, now it popped to a 523. So I can say 500 points, but that's not what you want to hear though. So usually we've seen, yeah, a couple hundred points. We see that all the time, right? We see stuff like this happen all the time too, right? We see stuff like this happen all the time. Reported too. Let's go, Neil. I see you. Mortgage use middle scores. Fact. I've been ripped off. I'm weak. Y'all wilding today. All right, let's go, man. Keep the questions coming, y'all. Keep the questions coming. Again, for the people that just joined, I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit management company in San Diego, top rated in California. We have a client in every single state. So if you're looking for a free credit consultation, don't hesitate to reach out. Shoot me a DM, okay? DM me the word King. DM me the word King. Hold on, let me plug this phone in before my shit shut off. Before my stuff shut off. All right, let me see. What happens if you have on credit hard and you want, wait. Millie, re-ask that question, please. Re-ask that for your boy. Re-ask that. Tips for people under 21. Hey, my young gunners. My young gunners, my favorite people. My young gunners. My young gun. So I got a whole step-by-step written out for you guys, right? So if you're under 21, you probably don't know nothing about credit and all that good stuff. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts, right? Starter accounts. I got some easy approvals on there for you with a little step-by-step guide too. All right. And then also, if y'all want to learn how to find inaccuracies and fix credit and all that stuff, also in my link in my bio, it says Fix Credit in 5 Steps webinar. It's free. You just watch it. It's 45 minutes. We go over credit reports, how to find inaccuracies, definitions, and all that good stuff. So you can go run that up too. Let's go. I can't wait to talk to you. Yeah. So Nana, it'd be Mitchell or Vincent, right? I don't really take like the consultation calls. I don't really do those anymore, unless I have to. But because I'm putting out fires with the company. I'm putting out fires with the clients. I'm doing all kind of stuff in the back end, training people, doing all kind of stuff. So, but yeah, Vincent and Mitchell, they'll take care of you though. Everybody that's hired by me was trained directly by me. Let's go, Robbie. You're the man. Your advice has helped me so much. Let's go, Robbie Rob, my man. How do I move a hard inquiry? You're going to get your credit report, highlight the inquiries not attached to open accounts, and we're going to dispute. We call for that. So if you need that step-by-step, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says how-to guides. They're free. I got the step-by-step for inquiries in there. Get to work. Let's go. Not going to lie, kind of nervous to start again, been played before. Those are my favorite people, okay? Because you're going to see, it's kind of like when you're in a bad relationship, and then you come over to King Credit, you get treated good, lavish life, okay? You can be in your feminine energy, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's go. We treat you good. I am king of credit mods. That's facts. That's facts. You won't find any better. Cellular integrity. What's the best thing to do after bankruptcy to rebuild? I got the step-by-step for you. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got some easier approvals on there, but I got the step-by-step. It literally says bouncing back from a bankruptcy, do this. I got the step-by-step for you. Let's work. And then also, bro, now that bankruptcy is dismissed or discharged, you can go ahead and dispute it, right? But bankruptcies aren't disputed like collections and charge-offs. They dispute it a little bit differently, right? So grab that King Credit bundle, and they got the bankruptcy guide in there for all the steps. You got to contact the court. You got to get a letter from them. You got to dispute with LexisNexis, get a removal from them, and then you got to dispute with the bureau. So it's a little step-by-step. Sean on TikTok. Should I pay out all debt in one go? If you can, yeah. Your credit card debt, like your open accounts, yes. But charge-offs, collections, and all that, you want to dispute that stuff. Dispute that stuff. Prime cut or knockoff. I'm not sure what that means, bro. What happens if you only have one credit card and you want to cancel it? Millie, don't cancel it. Keep it. Keep it. You can start adding some more accounts. So I'd rather you get some more accounts now, then cancel that card if you really, really have to do it. Because if you cancel it now, you're not going to have any open accounts. So that's going to be a little weird. So Millie, hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. I got some easier approvals on there for you. Let's go. Breaking news. You have to be a Costco member now to order food from Food Court. Hey, that's kind of messed up, though. That's kind of messed up. Can your company do everything for me? I don't want to do it myself. Yes, that's what we do. Completely done for you. Completely done for you. Is it legal for companies to 150 Costco hot dog? I'm weak. Is it legal for companies to hold collections? It's not illegal. No. But they have to validate those debts, though. They have to prove that they can collect in your state. They have to prove that they properly, bought that debt or assigned that debt. Then they also have to prove that it's actually you. It's actually you that had that account with the original creditor, right? So them stuff they gotta validate first. Charge off came back verified. It's all right. Move on to the next one. Next step. Let's go. How to dispute a collection that has been charged off. Collections don't get charged off. Brett. So if you want to dispute a collection, okay, you want to dispute a collection, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says how-to guides. Click it, they're free. And it has a step-by-step for collections in there. What's your opinion on Amex Gold versus HH Aspire? I like the Gold more for everyday card, right? But it's a charge card though, so you just got to make sure you're paying that bad boy off each month. All right, let's go. How do you sign up? Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. Yes, sir. What's the next step for verified? Jay Clay, if you got the bundle, move on to round 3. Whatever round you want. If you're in round 2, move to round. If you're in round 1, move to round 2. If you're in round 2, move to round 3. If you already did round 3, it's time to make your complaints. That stuff should be in there too, in that bundle. Use tax refund to pay cars down. Don't use them for entertainment fund. That's facts. I'm gonna pin that. That's facts. Let's go. You don't need another car. You don't need a vacation. All right. You did that the last 10 years with your refund check. All right. Use this year, let's use it to get right. Damn. Aren't you tired with a 500 score? I know I was. Okay. I know I was tired. Damn. I was tired of getting laughed at the dealership. I ain't going back. I ain't going back. I tried the disputing hard inquiries not attached to an account, and now the credit bureaus are making. Okay, De Rochelle, they can't make you do anything. All right. So if they're not doing what you're asking, just say, hey, thank you for taking my call, hang up, and call again. You'll get somebody completely different, and then you go through the same process. And it sounds like you didn't use my guide. Okay, so hit the link in my bio with the how-to guides. I got the step-by-step for inquiries. You need to be calling them to get this stuff removed. All right. How long does it take your credit from a 500s to 700s? It depends what's on your report. Depends what's on your report. Yes, sir. Round 2, should I dispute with the same letter? No, you move on to round 3. So if you just sent round 1, then move on to round 2. If you just sent round 2 and it came back verified, move on to round 3. And it says it on the guide, bro. Like you asking questions, but it says it on the guide. So that's how I know you didn't read the guide, because you wouldn't be asking them questions. That's how I know right there. I did call only on that. Take info over the phone is Equifax. That's not true. I mean, yeah, I mean this is proven stuff. Okay, this is proven stuff. So I wouldn't give you guys something that I haven't done myself and that we haven't used over 1,000 times. Okay, literally 1,000 times, way more than that, but literally 1,000 times. You ever tried the Bank of America for auto loans for LLC? I was thinking about it, but I don't really like Bank of America. I don't really like Bank of America. DMV Lucia, what's up? What's up on IG? I see you. Yep, try again. On the guide, doesn't it say, it says you might have to call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It says it on there. I give you everything y'all need is on there, on those guides. No, I didn't. I knew it because you asking questions. I'm like, wait a minute. It says round 1, send this. If they verify, move on to this step. If they delete it, good, right? It's broken down like that. Best bank for auto loan, credit unions. But if you're stuck with Chase or whatever, just use your bank, right? So credit unions, okay, and then the bank that you're already with, and then I wouldn't even go to the dealership anymore to try to get a loan from using them, right? Because the dealerships, they use banks anyway. Okay. Oh man, how can you protect your credit card from identity theft? Don't have pictures of your cards on your phone, the numbers and everything, and don't click random links. Right? It's kind of easy, right? And then here's the thing with credit cards: if there's a fraudulent charge or something you don't recognize, you can freeze your card, call the credit card company, and they'll take that card off and credit your money back. That's why credit cards are better than debit cards. You shouldn't be using a debit card, you guys. It's 2024. Throw that debit card away. You don't need it. You don't need it. The only thing you should use a debit card for is to have it linked to your credit card so you can pay off your credit card. You shouldn't be using no debit card. Somebody steal your debit card and run up that cash, that money's gone. Somebody steal your credit card and run up that cash, you can get all that back in a matter of minutes. Okay. I have a 6 to 7 age LLC. How much you think they'll give me? I mean, just depends on how many, what's your monthly deposits, yearly income, what's your personal credit? Just depends, bro. How to transfer debt to another credit card. You log on to the card, and if it has that option, it'll say balance transfer. Right? It's easy. Click the link, click it, and then you just put the details from that other card into the form, and it does it. Easy work, easy work. Easy work, easy work. Let's go. All right, y'all. Hit the link in the bio, schedule a call. You can shoot me a DM, okay, and I'll respond to it. DM me the word King if you're looking for a free consultation. It is March Madness, you guys. It's time. All right, we got specials going on all month. The mentorship is also open. I just dropped a video or a picture. I'm going to be promoting that now. This is the first time, you guys, I'm going to be running ads for the mentorship. Okay, so don't be mad when it gets sold out. All right? Don't be mad. Y'all hearing it here first. The early bird specials is going on until March 31st. Okay, so the mentorship, that's where you spend literally a week with me, right? Monday is from April 29th until March 3rd, right? 5 days, so Monday through Friday, 2-3 hours a day. The first day we do personal credit. Second day we do learning all the ins and outs of starting your own credit repair business. Third day is like marketing and all that. Fourth day is all the softwares you're going to use. And then the fifth day, we bring it all together. I have some special guests on there. I got some VAs coming up there. You can ask them questions on how they can help you. I got previous mentees coming up on there. You can ask them questions from, my last mentorship was, I don't remember. November? Might have been November. But yeah, that one I only let like 10 people in that one, right? This is the first time that I'm allowing 50 people, right? The first time, right? The first one was only 5, okay? The first 2 were 5. The next one was 10, and then this one I'm opening up to 50, right? But it's broken down, okay? So you can hit the link in my bio and get that information, or just watch my page. I'll be posting on it too. But I'm telling you, I'm running ads on this one, okay? So don't be mad. Don't be mad at me. I'm telling you, do not be mad at me when they get booked up, okay? Because if I have more than 50 people, I can't give you the time I need to give people. You know what I'm saying? So I'm maxing it out at 50. Does it? Hold on. Does it matter what credit card company? No, but you have to see if it has balance transfer capabilities though. So I can transfer and start new on the payments. What do you mean? What? Giovanni, I'm not sure you understand what you're asking. So card number 1, right? You got $1,000 on it. Card number 2 is a balance transfer card with a $5,000 limit. You transfer all the debt over to this card, right? You still have to make your payments to that card. The only thing is, card number 1 had a high interest. You don't have to pay all that high interest now, right? So that's why you do balance transfers. Okay, when you are taking off those closed accounts, do you do it all at once? Yeah, we dispute all your negative accounts. We dispute it all. Okay, we dispute it all. I'm gonna be mad. I'm trying to tell people. They don't understand. You guys, we've gotten this far from honestly organic. Like I've been running some ads and stuff like a couple months now, like regular ads and stuff like that, $5 a day, $10 a day, nothing crazy. I'm about to turn this shit up to $100 a day. I'm running ads on the mentorship. I'm telling you, okay. You ain't gotta take my word for it. Go to my page and check everything out. I'm gonna start posting all the testimonials from the mentorships and all that. But the testimonials and all the information you need to see, the reviews and everything, it's on at kingcreditmentorship.com. It has all that stuff in there. You can also hit the link in my bio and check that out too. All right. And I got a payment plan. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing that. I don't know why I'm doing it, but yes, there's a payment plan for the VIP and the platinum. Okay, there's a payment plan for the VIP and the platinum. So you ain't got no excuse. I don't want to hear it. All right. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I'm logging y'all off, man. I'll see y'all Friday.